again, just proving our point that every place, no matter how obscure, how quiet, how small, has its stories.
Has a story.
That's what I love the most about what we see when we do this. So what's just a quick sandwich stop?
Just a quick sandwich stop in Beaufort West by our favourite spot.
Where we've gotten the nicest toasties on all our trips.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, I hope we don't get there too late. They're still open. So we're in Beaufort West now, and this is our shop where we always come and, well, we recently discovered it on a previous trip when we were at the Karoo National Park. We discovered this place.
The purple shop.
The purple shop. And I must say, their food is amazing and it's freshly made. And we had to come here, but unfortunately we couldn't get exactly what we wanted because of our favorite subject, load shedding. So, but they made us something else, which I think is also going to be nice. Let me show you. So they made us curry minced jaffles.
Piping hot.
Piping fresh. Their food is of an excellent quality.
Yeah, it's true, hey?
Yeah.
It's true.
And also you got those crunchies.
Yeah, the oats cookies. I love
cookies,
them.
Yes. So we're driving out of Beaufort West now. Got our, I don't know what I thought that was going to be lunch, so we're a little bit behind schedule. So it's going to end up being supper, I think.
No, we have the sausage for supper.
Oh, the sausage for
but
supper.
It might be. Who knows?
Might be the sausage and the jaffles. Who knows?
The sausage may stand over.
Yeah. Oh, look at that pretty dam there. Just outside Beaufort West.
Oh, it is pretty, hey?
Oh.
Look at all the reflections.
Yes, stunning, eh?
Oh.
Beautiful.
Unexpected, yeah. Very nice.
So we've got to find the R361, I think it is, that turns left off of the N1 here.
Okay.
And I'm 99% sure it's a gravel road, and I think it's about 100 kilometers to get to Loxton from here.
No, it's another late arrival for us.
Another late arrival. Loxton, here we come.
Oh, goddamn.
Well, it doesn't seem to be gravel, it seems to be tar. Ah, so much for my 99%, eh?
Oh, not yet.
Well, maybe it changes.
We hold out hope.
Yeah.
Always.
Always, yeah. Look at those kranzes over there. Wow. Impressive, eh?
Are we going up that mountain?
I hope so.
That looks fantastic.
It does, eh? It does. I really hope we do.
That'll be amazing. It looks like we might be.
Oh, that'll be stunning.
That's a nice surprise.
Yes. Yeah, we are definitely going to go up there. So this does seem to be a pass that we're going over.
How can it not be, right? But there was no indication. You never spoke of a pass.
I never knew it. I just planned the road. I didn't. There in the distance is Beaufort West.
I love this road. I can even forgive it for being tar.
Yes.
Well, actually, I appreciate it being tar.
Why?
It's just a little more relaxed.
Okay, and there's a barrier along the side, eh?
Well, we're not on that side.
Wow.
There we go, Molteno Pass.
Molteno Pass? So it's Molteno Pass.
So this is gorgeous place.
1880.
High, hey? 1,046.
Yeah. Summit is 1590. Wow.
Listen, this is beautiful.
Stunning. I just want to get out here. The Molteno Pass. Look at that. Wow. There's a little river flowing down there. There's a giraffe. There I see a giraffe. There's the giraffe.
Only one though?
There must be more somewhere. There's another one over there.
There's another one, yeah. I just see the
The legs,
part.
yes,
I don't see the
yes.
neck. Well, I do, but it's very camouflaged.
Wow.
How cool is this place?
This is incredible. There's more. There's 1, 2, 3 giraffes.
No, there's 4. 2 in front,
Yes.
1 in the back, and another one there.
Yes. There's more giraffe over there. Another 3 over there. Incredible. There's another one there. And another. Oh wow, there are so many giraffe here. There's one drinking water as well.
Now I'm loving this, eh? Unbelievable. But the beauty here, eh?
That's phenomenal. And there's Beaufort West.
Oh, it looks teeny. It's not that teeny.
Look at these massive rocks just standing up straight here on the Molteno Pass. Look at you can see the size of the car, and look at this, just been stacked there. This is so beautiful, eh?
No, there are no words. I mean, honestly. And so completely unexpected.
Yeah, the gravel road sign.
This place,
Here we go.
So the pass is tar.
Pass is
But
tar.
This is just getting better and better.
It's getting better. Telling you,
Oh, so beautiful here.
this is gorgeous. Wow. No wonder she calls it the Gorge Road, Kloofpad. Look at this.
Oh,
These are those finger rocks.
it's just...
We're definitely arriving in Loxton after dark, eh?
Yeah, now of course we wouldn't happen upon this at 11 in the morning. No.
Wow. These boulders are crazy.
I mean, the size of some of these things lying down here. You can see as it fell down, it split into
Yeah.
100 pieces. Or just 2 humongous pieces. I mean, look at this thing.
It's massive.
It'll destroy the Empire State Building. It's like they can use that as a what? Ball? Wrecking ball.
Wrecking ball, yeah. Look at this rock here. Look at the size of this thing.
This, I mean, if we had our tent, I would have said, listen, we might
Just-
not make it to Loxton.
It's camp, yeah.
You know yourself, I'm I'm not often quiet, eh? But
Yeah.
this has blown my mind. It has everything.
Yeah.
I'd love to catch a bit of the last sunlight.
Yeah, it would be nice.
Driving, yeah. It's chilly in the shade, eh?
As soon as the sun sticks its head away. There's the eland. There's another one in the distance at the back there. Looking at us.
Unreal. Can you see too?
I can see them both, yeah.
Are they the ones who you always say their knees make a noise?
They make a clicking sound, yeah.
Like mine.
Yeah.
You think there might be more? Most probably, eh?
Well, if there's two of them, there must be more.
Good spotting, babe.
I thought it was a cow. And
They're not likely here outside.
no.
You normally know the passes that's coming, though. You said nothing earlier.
I can't remember. I just...
Sun is dipping down far.
Very quickly.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Please, eh? This is like a gorge down here.
I know. Yeah.
The sun blinded me for a minute.
No, I was fine.
It's gorge after gorge after gorge.
Yeah.
Look at this. Look at these trees.
Wow.
Reminds me of the mangroves.
Yep. They're all dead, these trees.
Yeah, I wonder why. What is this?
Karoo National Park. And we're back onto the top.
And that's an entrance to the Karoo National Park?
Must be. Wow.
Surprising. Okay,
Yeah.
back on the top.
I thought the excitement was over on this road. There's the moon. Here it starts again.
Little bit of a stream or a river
Down there, yeah. But look at this, eh? Wow. Wow. A single lane bridge down there.
We love those.
I love them. Oh, this
Look at
is
all the water.
incredible, eh? Water flowing here. Water flowing over there. Look at that huge nest at the top there.
I wonder what birds make that nest.
It must be
And how many
Could be.
years?
some type of bird of prey.
Yeah, I wanted to say eagle, but I mean, what do I know?
Wouldn't it be nice if one just came and landed there now?
You shall be so lucky. Is this that dam that we saw the name of? I can't remember the name.
I can't remember the name now. Look at that tree in the middle of the water there.
I see. This is one of the absolute best roads you've ever picked.
You think so?
Oh, absolutely.
I'm loving every moment of it.
Absolutely. Honestly, it is gorgeous.
I'm blown away with the Molteno Pass.
No, that makes two of us.
I am so sorry it's over. So now we're heading up to Loxton.